Students, this is part 3 of chapter Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. So in this we'll be discussing why are forests so important for man. As forests are renewable resources and they play a major role in enhancing the quality of human life. Why? Because they modify the local climate, control soil erosion, regulate stream flow, support a variety of industries like timber industry. These are supported by the forest, provide livelihood for many communities like tribes, and offer panoramic or scenic view for recreation. It controls wind force and temperature and causes rainfall. So this is why the forests are so important for development of industries, mining, and urbanization, and all these factors are also affecting the vegetation. Because of these factors, vegetation is decreasing over time. Vegetation cover of India in large parts is no more natural in the real sense, except in some inaccessible regions like the Himalayas and the hilly regions of the Central Asia, the Marusthali. The vegetation of most of the areas has been modified at some places. And what is ecosystem? Ecosystem plants occur in distinct groups of communities in areas having similar climatic condition. The nature of the plants in an area to a large extent determines the animal life. Nature of plants determines animal life in that area. When the vegetation is altered means changed, the animal life also changes. Means if the forest are destroyed, then the habitat of the wildlife is destroyed, so obviously it will affect the wildlife also. So all the plants and animals in an area are interdependent and interrelated. Now look at what is the scenario of the forest cover in India. As forest cover in India is not uniform in all the states, here area in percentage is shown. Here you can see, like in Arunachal Pradesh there is about 17% area that is under forest, and Arunachal Pradesh about 80. You can see Bihar below 10, and highest percentage can is shown in Mizoram, which is about 90%. Okay, and you can see in Punjab about 3% area is under forest.